Hello everybody, I'm Kaushav A. I'm a third year student of the National Law Institute University Bhopal, currently enrolled in the BA LLB Honours course. I have keen interest in various branches of the legal regime in our country and that of abroad, and arising out of my interest on the works of public affairs and governance and administration, I have been a part of a project which envisions to form a crime free Bharat. This project institutionalizes that with proper monitoring and involvement of laymen as stakeholders, the government and certain independent bodies would be in a position in which they would be able to anticipate, track down the offences, and also rehabilitate the offenders, and furthermore felicitate the lawmen and the common men who help in providing witnesses and evidence under the said statute. This project I have been working for over 8 months now as a part of the committee which is doing all the legal due diligence and compliance under this project. Our work has been focused to form a comprehensive statute which encompasses and envisions all such possibilities under which this project may be put to use, and ensures all precautions in the forms of data protection, privacy, and maintenance of records are guaranteed. We can assure that if this project is implemented, which it soon is to be, it shall be a path breaking project and open new chapters in the history of Indian governance and legal regime. Thank you. We sincerely hope for your valuable feedback and cooperation in this regard.